Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan jelly. We'll go through the simple steps to create a delightful treat without any animal products. You'll learn about the essential plant-based gelling agents and how to combine them with your favorite fruit flavors. This guide will help you achieve perfect, wobbly jelly every time, offering a wonderful dessert option for everyone to enjoy, and it's surprisingly easy to prepare. To begin, you'll need agar-agar powder, which is derived from seaweed and acts as our gelling agent. Next, select about 2 cups of your preferred fruit juice. Apple, orange, or berry work wonderfully. You might also want to add a sweetener, such as 1/4 cup of sugar or agave, depending on the sweetness of your juice. Finally, a tiny pinch of citric acid can enhance the fruit's natural tanginess. First, whisk 1 teaspoon of agar-agar powder into about 1/2 cup of cold water in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, stirring continuously for 1 minute to fully dissolve the agar-agar. Remove the pan from the heat, then stir in 2 cups of your chosen fruit juice and any desired sweetener until well combined. Finally, pour the liquid into your molds and refrigerate for at least 2 hours until firm. For a firmer jelly, you can add a little more agar-agar, or for a softer set, use slightly less. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fruit juices or even fruit purees for unique flavors and textures. You can also add small pieces of fresh fruit to your molds before the jelly sets for an extra burst of flavor. Once made, your delicious vegan jelly will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.